Guess what we worked on? This is महल उसके पता से just set up. ज़्यादा खुशी क्या से ना लगवा पता. Right. पता लगा? कहीं चलना. हूँ पता ला.
Is it running hot water on? I leave it on, yeah.
Brilliant. It's working now, yeah? No, I'm only joking.
No, I see here. On the flute, okay. I can hear the boiler when it's coming up, but it's not coming because I do reset. No, and I just leave it because I don't know. Because I moved this house just last year. I bought. Okay.
So we're going through ignition process. We're going to find out what's going on there.
When I come in, it was last year same. This month I came. It's coming like this error, and I call one guy. They do just the service, and after that.
Hi guys, I've been asked to have a look at a Biasi with an error code 01 on it. And I also got a new camera. That's one of those chest cameras, and I'm testing that out. Let's see how this film goes. I don't think it's going to be a good film, but let's see how it goes. Okay, yeah. Reset in and switch the light off and see if it ignites the burner first. And then we don't even know if it burns. The burner comes on yet. One even coming on. Okay. This is going to be a nightmare.
Lift this up.
That'll break. That'll definitely break. So what do we do? Right guys, the burner didn't come on and the spark electrode was too close to it, so what's the time?
Huh?
What's the time?
5:18. 20 past 5.
No one's going to open this time, isn't it? Okay, we're going to have to do it slowly then. Oh shit, I lost my long nose pliers. I've been using these as my long nose pliers for a long time now. Oh, bring us one, your son. That used to be for this. If it breaks, we gotta change it anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, if it fixes, it'll do the job for today at least.
Okay.
But the problem is no one's open today for parts.
Yes.
Just gonna. It won't break, don't it? I think I've already broken one in 150.
Can happen.
I don't know. If this gets going for you, we'll be sorted for about a year. And if it breaks, if it goes again, we'll come. Next time I come down, I'll bring one with me.
You think this is the issue, yeah or no?
Yeah, of course.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My friend here, he's figured it out.
Well, council tax, 2,000 not closing. Man. And I said to my wife, I give up, let's go out, man, because even if you buy a house, you know, the mortgages kill you. Yeah. So you have to work on it. I was having an
affair.
In my company. No. No, my company was working mother, father, and 3 sons. With one Oyster card, they traveling 3 people, 3.
I want to put that joke in, I was having an affair. Good on that.
Yeah.
What are you saying, bro?
Sure.
So give that another minute or two. Then you will get in. That's the thing.
When I come and I see his number is here. Yeah. Oh, okay.
You phone him?
I phone him, yeah.
What he say? He says to be.
When he come, he said, change your boiler, man.
He came?
He came to change your boiler, man. I said, no, come on, man. I just moved. I don't have money. Fucking change your boiler.
What's wrong with the boiler? Brand new.
No, you need this done. Right.
See that?
And I call another guy, come and do service. I said, no, man, it's okay, man. But he said, no, change the boiler. I give you a good boiler,
You know the one who serviced it. Why didn't you phone him to come and repair it?
No. I'm not. I don't want him to come now because it's first time he's lying, man. And come on.
What did he say?
Huh?
He lied first time.
What did he lie about?
When he come, I said, change change your boiler because it's a problem. Or
Oh,
I call another guy. I said no, it just did service, and never happened till now from last year.
hmm.
And it just take me £60 for nothing, you know. He just change the boiler, blah blah blah. I said, come on, you're a nice guy, man.
No, that's not good.
No. If okay,
This is okay.
yeah. You know, for example, you have leaf supply. You know, open and see what's going on, but you don't know nothing. You just change your boiler. Come on, up there.
No.
Oh,
Right.
hey man, what an idiot.
That's what I told you that.
Oh, thanks for telling me.
I have to let you suffer for a bit.
No, let's do it again. Oh, thanks for that.
Well, it's too late. You pushed it already in.
But for 1-2 weeks,
Where I put the screwdriver?
Maybe you put in pocket somewhere.
Oh, I'll use this, but
Maybe in boiler.
hey,
Jang, lack of concentration.
serious? I found that, but find it. It's okay, no panic. See, I told you it's in here. I'll get 2 pockets here. You got no light in here?
light here, but not that.
Plenty light. You cheeky.
Huh?
Check your gas. He's waiting to check the gas.
Not from the thing in it.
No, he said he looked.
Cooker.
No, he said to me, are you off you go? Are you on mobile?
Oh, yeah, I was concentrating on this. I was.
Yeah, no, but that's a bit cheeky.
Should we check the gas?
He goes, how? He goes, you check your cooker, you got any gas in it.
Right. Okay, let's have a go now, bro. Try your tap,
Tap on it.
please. It should work now. No, it hasn't worked. Oh, it won't because I've got it switched. I had the gas isolation switched off. Yeah, it won't. Sorry. You know the best way to open it up? If you open this baby up and just do it from the inside, then you don't have to put it back in. You get me? Alright, quickly, it'll take 5 minutes. बचाए मतलब कुछ सुनो क्या है ले ये man. I got it, man. Okay. I think it's fine now. Yeah, look, it's good. Yeah, it's working fine now. Till next week, I'll probably have to bring one down. Yeah, that's fine.
Same, you need to check the GC number.
Yeah, I need GC number. So that's working fine now, yeah. Sorted out Biasi out. The electrodes were bent, so I've straightened them out. But I might need to change them. But for now, it's working fine. Till next time, Birmingham, boiler, fix. You want to come and film? Do you want to come and
Say,
Alright.
just say, look, fix my boiler.
He fixed my boiler very good, very fast, and very nice guy, and very honest guy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, yeah?
That's a good review. Thank you for that review. That is so nice of you, man. Don't get much out of him.